Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for design. Canva is an incredibly intuitive platform, perfect for creating stunning visuals without needing extensive design experience. You can start by selecting from thousands of pre-made templates, ranging from social media posts to presentations. Customizing your chosen template is simple. Just drag and drop elements, change colors, and add your own text. It's a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced designers alike. Once you're in Canva, the first step is often choosing a template. You'll find categories for almost any project, whether it's an Instagram story, a business card, or a flyer. After selecting a template, the fun begins. You can easily change the color scheme to align with your brand, swap out fonts, and replace placeholder images. Don't forget to upload your own unique photos and logos to truly make the design yours. Canva's element library is a treasure trove for enhancing your designs. You can search for millions of free and premium graphics, including shapes, lines, icons, and even animated stickers. Adding text is just as straightforward. Choose from hundreds of font styles and apply effects like shadows or curves. You have complete control over each element's size, position, and even its transparency, allowing for truly unique compositions. After perfecting your design, it's time to share it with the world. Canva offers several download options, including high-quality JPGs, PNGs with transparent backgrounds, and print-ready PDFs. You can also share your creation directly to popular social media platforms or send it via email. For team projects, easily invite others to collaborate on your design. And if you need physical copies, Canva's print service can deliver them right to your door.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.